The next topic is fats. Fats are a richest source of energy in our diet. A natural oily substances is occur in our body and which is also help us to keep warm. Warm is nothing but temperature, high temperature. That gives us more energy than carbohydrates. Food rich in fats are also called energy giving foods because they are giving more energy to our body. Examples: butter, ghee, cooking oils, nuts. Cooking oils are sunflower oil, soya oil, corn oil. These are all the vegetable oils. Nuts are almond, cashew. These are all the nuts. So these examples which gives a more energy. So that's why we can call it as energy giving foods. See this picture. Here butter and ghee is there. These are all the variety of nuts. So the next topic is vitamins. Vitamins are help our body fight against diseases and keep us healthy, which is protect ourselves from the diseases. Food rich in vitamins are called protective food. Why we call it as protective food? Because which is protect ourselves from the diseases. So we can call it as protective foods. Examples: fruits, vegetables, milk, fish, meat, egg. These are all the examples are for vitamins. See this picture which is having all the vitamin food. Move on to next topic, that is minerals. Food rich in minerals are also called protective food. This is also keep us healthy and fit. The minerals are calcium, potassium, sodium, iron. They help us to our body to form bones, teeth, blood, etc. Calcium, which is helps to form bones, teeth. Potassium and sodium, which is helps to form nerve and muscles. And iodine, which is helps to form a thyroid gland. Our body doesn't produce iodine. That's why it needs to be supplied from the food. That's why we should take iodine food. Next is iron. So iron, which is helps to formation of blood. The iron we can get from green leaves, vegetables, apples, carrot, etc. So examples for minerals are vegetables, milk, cereals, green leaf, carrots, etc. See, this is a picture which belongs to mineral. Here you have seen all the mineral food. Let's go for next topic, roughage. Roughage is the fiber present in the food items that we get from plants. Most of the fruits, vegetables and seeds contain fibers. We can't digest roughage. It is an important part of our diet because it helps to remove undigested food from our body. So example is salad, which gives us a lot of roughage, which is to remove undigested fruit from our body. See, this is picture. Here having lot of roughage foods and fruits, vegetables. These are all seeds contain fibers. Move on to next topic, water. 3/4 of our body weight is water, and this water which is helps to dissolve, digest and absorb the food. Our body use water to all the cells, organs, tissues to regulate body temperature and maintain other body functions. And water helps to removing our body wastes through sweating and urine. That's why we should drink about 8 to 10 glasses of water every day, because our body lost water through sweating and urine. See, this is a picture of water. Next is balanced diet. It is an important part to maintain good health and can help you feel as best. This means eating variety of foods in the right proportions and consuming right amount of food and drink. It maintains a healthy body. A diet that contains proper amount of all the nutrients, roughage and water which is required for good health. So that's why we can call it as a balanced diet. See, this is a picture of balanced diet. Every day we should take at least 4 times food. Example, morning breakfast, lunch, evening snacks and night dinner. See, this is our snacks, dinner, breakfast, everything is here. So this we can call it as a balanced diet.